climb inside the 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD. Blurring highway lines with an exceptional merger of performance and opulence.
Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 350 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience.
Sharp character lines combine with a wide stance to create an aggressive yet elegant shape. The Silverado 3500 raises the bar with best-in-class towing rating of 23,000 pounds.
Chevrolet prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, and much more. Use the available wireless internet connection to buy additional supplies while on the job or to check the weather while camping. Reverse with confidence with the available rear camera display. The Driver Information Center keeps you on top of the health of the vehicle by providing information such as transmission temperature, fuel range, and engine hours.
Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. The trailer sway control feature senses trailer sway and automatically applies the vehicle's brakes and reduces engine power if necessary to help you get back on track.
The 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD. Touch the accelerator and feel the phenomenon.